Hi, I'm Austin.
And I'm Ryan.
We're part of the BAMS program in collaboration with Bernheim Forest. We're going to show you how to use the Grit Freedom wheelchair.
Bernheim has invested in the Grit all-terrain wheelchair with support from WHAS Crusades for Children to improve accessibility at Bernheim.
We hope that by the end of this video, you'll be able to safely and comfortably operate the wheelchair.
Let's get started. Make sure to bring your own helmet or check out one from Bernheim for you to use while riding the Grit Freedom wheelchair. Place the helmet on top of your head and fasten it securely using the strap. Next, locate the seatbelt to the left and right of your seat. Clip the belt into place and pull on the strap to make sure it's tight. Then place the extra length of strap into your left side to prevent it from hitting the wheel. Again, using the wheelchair, remove the handles from their holders by pulling upwards on the bar. Place both bars into your lap. Then find the metal tube on your left side near the wheel. Rotate it so that the opening is facing upwards. Repeat this process for the other side. Place each handle into metal tubes. To lock the handles into place, rotate the shaft of the handle outward until you feel resistance. Next, pull back on the handles until they make contact with the wheel. Now you're ready for wheelchair training.
To slow down or stop the chair, pull back on both handlebars. Depending on the situation, pull back with more or less force. If you push on the handles too quickly, you may fall backwards. To accelerate correctly, use multiple small movements and build up to large strokes. When going downhill, limit yourself to a reasonable speed and maintain proper control of the chair. Watch out for large crevices and rocks, as they can throw off your balance at higher speeds. There's a high risk of tipping when going uphill, especially when making sudden movements. A spotter is highly recommended for both uphill and downhill. There are multiple methods to turn the Grit wheelchair. First is to push one of the handles harder than the other. By doing this, you turn in the opposite direction. Another way to turn is to break one of the handles while keeping the other handle stationary. You'll turn in the direction that you break. When you are stuck, in order to escape, you must first tilt onto one side of the chair. Next, you must push the shaft on the other side forward in order to remove the handlebars. Then, you will be able to roll backwards and move manually with the wheels. Now you are ready to begin. Have fun riding!